जब सूरज चमक रहा हो तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। कोई भी पर्वत इतना ऊंचा नहीं होता, कोई भी मुसीबत इतनी कठिन नहीं होती कि उसे पार पाना कठिन हो। प्रिय श्रोताओं, आप सभी का संस्कृति समाचार दर्पण के 206वें एपिसोड में स्वागत है। आप सभी का स्वागत करना मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। हर हफ्ते इसी सकारात्मकता और जोश के साथ हम आपके लिए संस्कृति से जुड़ी सभी खबरों को लेकर आते हैं। मैं वास्तव में संस्कृति के सभी हितधारकों की आभारी हूँ जो हर हफ्ते अपने बच्चों को वक्तव्य कौशल से चमकने के लिए ऐसा अद्भुत मंच तैयार करते हैं। मैं कक्षा 9वीं ए के युवा पत्रकारों को बधाई देती हूँ जिन्हें इस हफ्ते बुलेटिन के लिए समाचार कवर करने का मौका मिला। मैं बच्चों की मदद करने के लिए कक्षा शिक्षक के प्रति अपनी सराहना व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ। इसके अतिरिक्त हमारे पास हमारे शिक्षक और माता पिता के संदेश भी हैं। तो आइए विलंब ना करते हुए चलते हैं हम अपने समाचारों की ओर।
Sanskriti Namaskar to all the lovely viewers listening to us. I am Bulbul Jain, class teacher of 9th A, welcomes you all. I am very excited today that students of my class are going to deliver all the important news of Sanskriti in this news bulletin. I am really thankful to Sanskriti for giving such wonderful platform and opportunity to my students to deliver the content. Let's see what's new there in this news bulletin.
Myself Bhumi Pathak from class 9A to instill in children a sense of leadership, discipline and responsibility. An investiture ceremony was conducted at Sanskriti. The newly appointed school cabinet was encouraged to dutifully uphold the ethos of the school through inspirational words by the principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am.
Sanskritians reached Gandhi Park on August 14 in the highest number and honored the sacrifices of our national treasures under the third edition of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. To express their patriotism and reverence to martyrs, they also wore tricolour on their faces, sending a message of solidarity and fraternity.
Sanskriti, on completing 20 years of their services to the town, has announced several scholarships. On the auspicious occasion of Independence Day, handed over the scholarship checks to the most deserving students, Ridhima Council and Govi Council for the session 2023-24. The proud moment for parents. Doors are open for all those who grab it for the ongoing session. Thank you.
Sanskritians participated in group dance and mass PT at the district level. Competition held on 78th Independence Day. Children secured second position in group dance category through their excellent display of art and excellence. We congratulate all the participants for their triumph.
Mutual understanding of the child's development and growth is vitally important for both the teachers and parents. To facilitate cooperation and communication, a parent-teacher meeting was organized for class 1st to 8th on August 17th, Saturday. Teachers and parents discussed the overall progress made and shared valuable insights.
28th Independence Day was celebrated in Sanskriti with intense fervor and zest. After morning prayers and lamp lighting, the Sanskritians took part in captivating poetry and music recitals, the inspirational skits and plays, patriotic songs and dances, insightful roundtable conferences and traditional folk performances, winding the periphery of a holistic approach towards growth and development.
Puppets open a gateway to a child's imagination. On Friday, 16th of August, a delightful puppet show was organized in Sanskriti Bal Vatika. Engrossed in this fun-filled activity, children explored, created and learned important values of friendship, sharing, a kindness, and on the eve of Raksha Bandhan.
Through numerous cultural expressions that reflect human creativity, Sanskriti celebrated Festival of Freedom throughout the week. Multiple inter-house competitions took place in Sanskriti, where children took part in inter-house group dance, group song, and fancy dress competitions.
In a fun-filled learning activity, children come in disguise of colorful costumes. A patriotic fancy dance competition was organized for little Sanskritians. Tiny tots embrace the youth of freedom.
and took to center stage, speaking about themselves and spreading calming innocence.
Sanskriti Namaskar and a very happy Raksha Bandhan to each one of you. Raksha Bandhan is the celebration of the threads that bind us together, threads of love, care and protection. Let's weave a tapestry of kindness and compassion that wraps around the world. On Raksha Bandhan, we tie threads of protection, but let's not forget to untie the threads of fear and doubt, hate and anger, jealousy and insecurity, and fill our lives with love, positivity and strength. It is a reminder that we all are connected. Let's tie the thread of humanity and stand together against injustice, inequality and cruelty. This Raksha Bandhan, let's make a promise to protect our planet, our home, our rights, our freedom, our hearts, our love. Raksha Bandhan is the celebration of the bond between brothers and sisters, but it's also a reminder of the bond we share with our ancestors who paved the way for us, our children who will inherit our legacy, our community who make us strong. So once again, wishing you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan from Sanskriti family. See you all next Sunday. Meanwhile, celebrate the festival of love and understanding and pray for the entire world. Sukhi rahe sansar sab, dukhiya rahe na koi. Sukhi rahe sansar sab, dukhiya rahe na koi. यह अभिलाषा हम सबकी भगवन पूरी होए. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.